Do you want to create a WhatsApp chat list? You can make a new chat list on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to create WhatsApp chat list. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To create a WhatsApp chat list, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are on WhatsApp, you will see a list of chats on the screen. Now, at the top right of the screen, tap on the three-dot menu. A drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, tap on Settings. A new screen will appear with various setting options, including account settings, privacy settings, and more. Find and tap on Lists from here. Now, a new screen will appear, where you can create your custom list that will show at the top of your chats. To create a new chat list, tap on New List. You can also create a new chat list directly from the WhatsApp home screen by tapping on the plus icon. Now, enter the name of the list. You can create a family list, friends list, or any other category. Once you've entered the name of the list, tap on Add People or Groups. From here, select the groups or contacts you want to include in the new list. Once selected, tap on the tick button. Now, you will see a Create List button at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on it. Once created, go back to the WhatsApp chat list. The name of your newly created list will appear at the top of the screen. Just tap on the name of the list to access all the people or groups under it.